and welcome, friends. We are at Whitstable Beach. It's in Kent, in the southeast part of the UK. A wonderful place for weekend getaways, and we've got beautiful little cottages to the side. So if you find yourself in this part of the country, come on down. So this is the cute little town of Whitstable in Kent. Charming little seaside town. Quaint little boutiques everywhere. So here we are. My sister is treating me today. We're at a place called the Larder, and as you can see, it's very cute. And we are having a brunch. We've got a flat white, cappuccino, vegan sausage roll, and orange and almond, you think? Yeah. And a very yummy looking grilled cheese. It's also really good. So let's dig in. We're entering the marina area. So this town is known for its oysters.
There we are. Enjoy. Have a great day.
All right, so here is the beach. And as you can see, it's kind of pebbly. I do have my sandals on, but I think we should be okay. It's a lovely, cool 24 degrees, and it's a pebbly beach. Perfect weather for rambling around. So let's go check it out.
I could easily do it.
So lots of cute summer cottages. And as you get further down, you've got more townhouse style homes, all in happy beach colors. I'll take the one with the dragon on top.
Yep. That's a big shot. Love that.
Alright, so at the far end, away from the shops, we get these cute little, I don't want to call them huts. They're called beach huts. They're all very colorful, very tiny. Looks like a lot of them are for sale. This is called Grandma's house. We got a nice candy stripe. How quaint are these? Just to hang out, change your clothes.
So it's an hour and 50. Coconut ice cream. Oh my god.
Well, you cannot finish any day at a beach town without having an ice cream. Here in Whitstable, there is no shortage of choices, but it looks like Lotties Italian style ice cream is pretty popular, and my sister is having a cone. What do you think? What is it, vanilla?
How good.
We're about ready to wrap up our day in Whitstable. Each day ends with ice cream, right, love?
Absolutely.
And I got myself a Nutella. So as we dig in, you know you want it. So yeah, this is the cute little town of Whitstable, where they have filmed the popular show, Whitstable Pearl. And my sister is a big fan of the show, and that's how we ended up here. And I am super glad we did.